Welcome you all to solve this nice equation, that is 49 over x square is equals to x square over 49. We have to find the value of x from this equation. So let's start our solution. Solution is 49. 49 can be written as 7 square over x square is equals to x square over 7 square. Now we'll cross multiply. So this becomes 7 square multiplied by 7 square is equals to x square multiplied by x square. Now this can be written as 7 square whole square is equals to x square whole square. Now next step, we will take this x square to the left hand sides. So this become x square 7 square whole square minus x square whole square is equals to 0. Now this is in the form of difference of two square, that is a square minus b square is a plus b bracket a minus b. Now we will use this form to solve this equation. Now in this a is in the form of 7 square, so a is 7 square, and b is in the form of x square. Now we'll put the values in the form. So this become x square 7 square plus x square 7 square minus x is equals to 0. Now we have two values, that is 7 square plus x square is equals to 0 and 7 square minus x square is equals to 0. Now we'll take 7 square to the right hand side. So this become x square minus 7 square. Now we will take square root on both the sides. From this x, this got cancelled, so we are left with x is equals to plus minus under root minus 7 square. X is equals to plus minus under root 7 square multiplied by minus 1. Now x square, we will separate this. So this become 7 square under root minus 1. So x equals to, from this got cancelled, we are left with 7 under root minus 1 is I. So we got two complex solution, that is plus minus 7i. Now we'll solve the another one, which is 7 square minus x square. Now this is also in the form of difference of two square, just this. Now this will become 7 plus x bracket 7 minus x is equals to 0. Now again we have two values, 7 plus x equals to 0 and 7 minus x equals to 0. From this we will take 7 to the right hand side. So this become x equals to minus 7 and in this case x equals to 7. So we got two values, that is -7 and 7. So the all values we got is x1 is equals to -7, x2 equals to 7, x3 is equals to plus 7i, and x4 is equals to minus 7i. So in this we got four values in which two are real values and two are complex solution. So these are the values of x. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget the steps and don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.